In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit to Exness from Binance. We'll go through the full process from start to finish in a simple and practical way using USDT as the payment method. This is a common option because it's fast, widely supported, and easy to send between platforms when the correct network is selected. First, log into your Exness personal area. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the deposit option and click on it. This will take you to the available funding methods for your account. From the deposit methods, select Tether or USDT. After that, you'll need to choose a crypto network. In this example, the recommended option is TRC20 on the Tron network. Since it's usually one of the lowest cost and fastest ways to transfer USDT, it's very important to remember the exact network you choose here because you'll need to use the same one on Binance. Once that's selected, Exness will generate a deposit wallet address along with a QR code. Copy the wallet address carefully. This is the destination where your USDT will be sent, so accuracy matters. A small mistake in the address or network can cause the transfer to fail or go to the wrong place. Now move over to Binance. Open the Binance app or log in on the website, whichever you prefer. Go to your wallet and make sure your USDT is available in either your funding wallet or spot wallet, depending on how your Binance account is organized. Next, select USDT and tap Withdraw. Then choose the option to send via crypto network. In the address field, paste the Exness USDT wallet address that you copied earlier. After that, select the TRC20 or TRON network. This needs to match the network you selected on Exness exactly. Now enter the amount you want to deposit. Keep in mind that Binance charges a $1 withdrawal fee in this example. So if you want exactly $50 to arrive in your Exness account, you would enter $51 on Binance. Always check the fee preview before confirming, since fees can sometimes change. When everything looks correct, tap Withdraw and complete the authorization using your security method, such as two-factor authentication, a one-time code, or a passkey. After the transaction is submitted, wait for the blockchain confirmation and the funds should arrive in Exness shortly. Before sending larger amounts, it's always a good idea to double-check the wallet address, the coin, and especially the network. That's the safest way to avoid transfer issues. And that's how to deposit to Exness from Binance.